now the next problem, that is the third one. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent. Here two tangents are given. Which one? RM and RN. These two tangents are given. Tangent segment of a circle with center O. Prove that set OR, segment OR, bisect angle MRN and angle MON. Now see, as we solve in the next, as we solve the second problem, what we will do, we will prove these two triangles are congruent. Okay? And then when the triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles means this and this one. These corresponding angles will be congruent, and this shows that OR is bisector of these two angles. Okay? Now see how we will do it. Now see here, we will do it as, now see here. Here, first thing given, RM and RN are the tangent segment, and therefore from the tangent segment theorem, these two sides will be congruent. Okay? Here OM and OM will be congruent because they are the radius of the same circle, and this OR is common side. Therefore, these two triangles OMR and ONR will be congruent to each other. As they are congruent, their corresponding angles will be congruent to each other. Okay? Then I am going to write here. I will start from the things which are given. Now see here, the first thing here given, seg RM and RM are tangent to the circle. Okay? This is given. Here this is given. Okay? You can write here. Now we will take these two triangles. In triangle OMR and triangle OMR, means we are working in these two triangles. Now see here, the second thing we are going to write here. The second statement, the statements numbers are given over here. We must write here number in geometry. Now see, the second thing we will start from there. side, here we will write here, side RM is congruent to side RN from tangent segment theorem. Okay, this is the second one. Then here side OM is congruent to side OM radius of same triangle, radius of same triangle. Any problem? These are the radius of the same triangle, and after that side OR is congruent to side OR. That is common side, means this side is in both the triangle. OR is here in OMR and here in ONR. Therefore, these two triangles, triangles OMR congruent to triangles OMR by which test? Here the sides are congruent, therefore yes, test. Okay, is there any problem? No. Now see the next. What is next? Next is here. Therefore, angle MRO is congruent to angle NRO and angle MOR is congruent to angle NOR, and for both here CA, CT, congruent angle of congruent triangle. Okay? Now see, therefore, segment OR is bisector of angle MRN and angle MON. Okay? This is. Now see here the fourth problem. What is the distance between two parallel segments? What is the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle having radius 4.5 centimeter? Justify your answer. Now see, first I am going to draw a figure here. Okay. Now see here, suppose this is a circle having center O. Okay. Now I am going to draw two tangents which are parallel to each other. Now see, I will try to draw two tangents. Okay, one, and the second I am going to draw, because given it's that they are parallel to each other. Yes, these are the two tangents I am going to write here. I am going to write here P, Q, R and S. Okay? They are tangent, therefore the radius are perpendicular. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Now see here, this radius, suppose this is your M and this is N. One radius is here OM and second is ON. Okay? These are perpendicular to the tangent from the tangent theorem. Now see here, if I am going to draw here, I will do one construction, that is, I would like to draw a line which is also parallel to PQ and RS. Now name it, suppose this is your EF. I'm writing here, this is E and F. Okay? EF is parallel to PQ and therefore it is also parallel to RS. Now see, as this radius is perpendicular to the tangent and here if distance is given 4.5, here this radius is also perpendicular to this tangent and this is also radius of 4.5. Therefore this MM will be equal to 4.5 plus 4.5, that is equal to 9. Okay, this is your answer, 9 centimeter, the distance between these two parallel lines. But how we are going to write? First we will show that M, O, N are collinear and and then we will add it, means MO plus ON is equal to 9. Now, as here in the figure, we are going to write here let a circle with center O, two tangent PQ and areas are parallel to each other. Okay? Here PQ and areas are parallel to each other. Now see here construction, draw a line EF passing through here. Now see one thing, let a circle with center O, here with center, okay, with center O, two tangent PQ and areas are parallel to each other. Draw a line EF passing through center O and parallel to tangent PQ and RS. If you are going to draw parallel to anyone, it will be parallel to others also. Okay? Now see here radius OM is perpendicular to PQ from tangent okay. Therefore, angle QMO is of 90 degree. Okay. Now, angle, therefore, angle MOF will also be equal to 90 from the interior angle property. Okay. What is interior angle property? The sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 means sum of these two are supplementary. Okay. Now similarly here radius OM is perpendicular to RS from tangent theorem. Okay. OM is perpendicular to RS from tangent. Therefore angle OM yes will be 90 degrees from the tangent theorem. And angle NO F will also be equal to 90. Why? Interior angle property. Okay. Therefore, angle MOF plus angle NOF is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Therefore, the points M, O, M are collinear, and as they are collinear, what will happen? Mn is equal to Mo plus On, and MO and OM is the radius of the circle, 4.5. Therefore, Mn is equal to 9 centimeter. This is the distance between two parallel tangent. Okay.